Happy Vlogmas Day 15.
Okay, so I just got home from work. This is the first time I'm picking up the camera except for Alexis's intro, and Mama is tired. So, Dante is around here somewhere. Alexis is around here. Jordan is on his way back from San Antonio. They had UIL competition, so he woke up at 3 o'clock he had to be at school at 3 o'clock this morning, so Daddy took him while I was snoozing. So anyway, I am home and I want to make something for dinner, something really quick. So this is what I said. I've got sausage, I've got heavy cream, and I've got pasta. So I'm gonna see what I can come up with, what recipe I can find that has those 3 ingredients in them. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm searching for recipes on allrecipes.com with the ingredients to see what we come up with. Sausage. Okay, so I have decided to just make up something. I looked at allrecipes.com, and so I'm just gonna cut up some sausage, put some heavy cream in a pan with some salt and pepper, maybe some garlic and onion powder. I don't know, we'll see. And then of course some penne pasta, which I think I have in there. So we'll just see how this turns out. So you guys bear with me, and it's either gonna be a hit or it's gonna be a miss. Okay, so we're gonna use penne pasta. The water's in here. I like to add some salt to my pasta water. And then I like to add a little bit of olive oil to keep the pasta from sticking, and it adds a little bit of flavor. So we're gonna let that heat up, and then we're gonna add the pasta, let it cook, let the sausage cook, and then we're gonna add some cream to it, some salt and pepper, and let's see what else I can find. Okay, so here is the moment of truth. Let's taste it. It's pretty good. I think if I had, I probably would have liked another cheese with it, but all I had was what you saw in the video. So other than that, winner sausage dinner. After I made the sausage, I ate a good amount of it before I even mixed it into the pasta. So I was hungry. So
good.
anyway, yeah, so it would have had a lot more sausage in it had I not been sneaking and eating it after it was cooked. Guess who's trying to steal my dinner even though she's already eaten? So if the 6-year-old likes it, it's got to be pretty good. You like it, Alexis?
I love it.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
That's me. I want to show you guys the quilt my mom made for me.
Okay. This is show and tell, y'all. Okay, what do you like about it?
I like the colors that are on there and the pattern things. I like about that.
You like that?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful.
Very colorful.
Very colorful. Wonderful. All right. Okay, so I am sitting in the media room relaxing, and I gotta tell you, I am so excited because I'm not gonna do anything else tonight but knit. So me and Vlogmas, all my Vlogmas people, we are really gonna become one tonight, and I cannot wait. I get so giddy about other people's Vlogmases, so I'm so happy. So check out my feed on my YouTube and look and see what I'm going to be watching. So this is what I have to look forward to. Crazy Sock Lady, By the Lakeside, all these goodness, woolen forest knits. So I'm super, super excited. So yes, we're gonna relax, relate, release. Okay, so can we talk about these socks for just a moment? So for you that have watched my podcast for a long time, you know that I knit my socks 2 at a time. And I really, really enjoy the process because I do have second sock syndrome really bad. So, and that's something that I know about myself. So that's why I choose to knit all my socks 2 at a time. So once I'm done, I actually have a pair. And yes, it probably takes a little bit longer to do it this way, but at the end of the day, I'm most satisfied. So right now, I just started the increase on the back of the sock, and you can kind of see where it's starting to, you know, bow out for the increase. And I generally do the Flegel heel on these. So these are actually somewhat of a surprise, not really, but these socks are for a person that lives in my neighborhood that had reached out to me because she saw a post on our neighborhood's craft site where I posted a pair of socks, and she'd asked, you know, could she buy a pair? And you guys know how much sock yarn costs and etc. And I had told her that I don't sell socks because of the time and the cost that's involved, but something in my spirit said, you know what, knit her a pair of socks just because. And she had said that she has problems keeping her feet warm, and so I was moved to knit her a pair of socks just because. And she said she liked purple, and because when I told her, she says, oh, don't worry about it, you don't have to knit me a pair of socks. But like I said, something in my spirit just said, you know what, she deserves a pair of socks. She deserves a pair of hand knitted socks. So her favorite colors are purple and pink. So I had this yarn in my stash, and I hope that she is going to like these. She wears a size 8, and these are actually smaller than any pair of feet in my house except for Alexis, because I wear a size 10. The boys are 12, Steven's 14. So it's nice to work on a pair of socks that are a little bit shorter than my feet. That way they go a little bit faster. So I'm trying to get these done before Christmas so that I can surprise her and actually leave them on her porch with a nice little note. So I think I'm going to find a cute band to go around the socks and show her and tell her about the care of these. I've seen some cute ones. I might actually design my own and put it in Procreate. If I do that, I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. So anyway, but yeah, so these are special just because these are my, I call these are my just because socks, because just because she asked for them, I'm going to make them for her. So that's a little bit of history behind these socks. So I'm hoping to get these done fairly quickly while I'm watching other people's podcasts and vlogs. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the night. There wasn't much going on today. Like I said, I had to go into work. Tomorrow I'm actually at home working, so it'll be a little bit easier throughout the day if I'm on a lunch break or something and I find something that I think you guys might be interested in. I will definitely vlog that for you. So I think I'm going to call it a night tonight. And like I said, I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs because I'm actually enjoying making them. So, oh, and also we need to pull the winner for the next 12 Days of Christmas Cow. So we might do that tonight as well so that it'll be ready for tomorrow. All right, see ya. Happy Vlogmas Day 16. Cannot believe it's day 16 and I've been filming for 16 days. Anyway, so I'm getting ready to take Alexis to school this morning, but I wanted to go ahead and film day 3, winner of the 12 Days of Christmas Cow. I hope you guys are enjoying those. So anyway, let's see what today holds. I'm actually working from home today, so I don't know. I've got a busy schedule, so let's see what we get done. So somebody asked me how do I store my yarn, and as you can see I have a big calyx 5x5 unit, and there's 5 squares across and 5 down. So generally I try to keep all of my yarn in similar weights together. Not necessarily, but I do try. So basically in this box is all of my cotton yarn, and in this box, and there's a box below it, I store mainly all of my sock weight yarn. And at the old house I had an issue with silverfish, and so they were kind of eating on my yarn here and there. So I keep all of my yarn in plastic bags here, and that's just how they were transported here when we moved. So I haven't done anything differently. And so any of the gray totes that you see usually have sock yarn in them. So I have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 of these that are full of sock yarn. Now in this particular one, I do have sock yarn, but I also keep all of my scraps from any leftover socks, so that I can either use them for heels, toes, and cuffs, or scrappy projects, etc. So the majority of what's in here is just scrappy, because I never throw away any of my yarn, especially if I know that it's enough to do something else with. So that is mainly how I store my yarn. It's just that this is a simple way. I think I'm going to change it in the future, but right now this is what it is.